In this era of pursuing efficiency, flexibility, and sustainable development, foldable container houses are leading a new revolution in residential space with their unique charm. Imagine a seemingly ordinary container transforming into a spacious and bright residence, creative studio, or temporary rescue station in just a few minutes. Inheriting the original sturdy structure of the container, the folding container house can withstand harsh weather and various challenges during transportation. By using recyclable and highly durable materials for construction, foldable container houses not only reduce resource waste but also lower their impact on the environment. We provide diverse exterior design and interior decoration solutions, and foldable container houses can be personalized according to your personal preferences and needs. Explore the infinite possibilities of foldable container houses and embark on a new chapter in your life.